Me and Christian are going to show you how to fix the sensor in this. You don't even got to take it off the bike.
He's just loosening the screws at the bottom of the throttle assembly.
What's going to happen is it's going to come apart in two halves.
This thing.
He doesn't take it, so see how it comes apart like this? You get your screws that come out, save them. This side doesn't matter. This is the side we're confused with. So see, this is where your switch is. You're going to flip it over and you're going to take apart this guy, and this thing will pop out, and then right under there's your problem.
Taking out the screw next to it.
Yeah, just to free up the wire harness. So now we'll just pop this out. Now we have access to this. So at this point, we're going to undo these two screws that sit here, here, and here.
So just a bunch of little Phillips screws.
Yep, that's it. Underneath this is a three-way sensor. It gets dirty because this rubber isn't good.
Oh, so actually the contacts are getting dirty under that rubber boot.
Exactly what it is. People will buy new switches and do all that shit. The Defender switches do the same thing. That's how I knew to check into it.
Spray with some carb cleaner or something, just to polish them up.
WD, wipe it down, and fucking
nice.
It's their shit over there.
I don't know how the EV still works. Oh yeah.
So if we see this in here, see how that gets like, see the mud that's in there?
Yep.
That's what's causing your problem.
Wow, just that little wiper.
Yeah. What happens is this switch, see how you got some mud here and you got some mud here?
Yep.
What you do is when you're switching this back and forth, it's supposed to make contact and send power back and forth. When it gets water between here and here, that's when the switch starts acting crazy. Beep, 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 beep.
It changes the resistance, computer throws a code.
All you gotta do is clean it. So once you wipe this clean, put it back together, we'll have no problems. A little dielectric grease goes a long way. And what I do is I try to grab like a screwdriver and scratch this clean again.
Get some fresh metal.
Yeah. So do that and that. Come over here and just try to.
It's got some corrosion on it for sure.
Yep.
You want more electric, not dielectric.
Yeah.
I got some spray that it's like contact cleaner.
Try not to let it go anywhere.
And it's actually like supposed to improve conductivity. You spray like a 50-pin connector, it'll freak out. It'll start talking one pin to the other and stuff. You gotta be careful where you use it. But
now we just reverse everything.
it's some marine shit. Just putting it back in reverse order. So putting the switch together and then bolt the switch back into the assembly.
Yeah. Just gasket, right? Try to make sure all your gaskets are nice and square.
I gotta make sure I get your shirt in the video as much as possible.
Yeah. Tell Sid. What are you looking for now? There.
Super jerk.
All right, so now let's go ahead and give it a go.
Oh, I heard it click. Well, you 100% mended it.
Yep. Fixed.
That's all it was. The conduct didn't even look that bad, so it didn't take much.
Yeah. No more blinking, no more weird stuff. Bingo. That's all it's to it. So
Nice.
remember yourself first. Sponsored by Vessel Power Sports.
Yes.